Good morning, class. This is going to be a presentation about what Starfall is, which is an app we're going to be using on our tablets. So let's get started. What is it? Starfall is an app that we will use on our tablets during our literacy rotations. As you can see, there's a picture down here that shows you what it might look like when it's on the screen. How will we use it? During our literacy rotations, you will be going to 4 stations: read to self, word work, writing, and tablets. Each station will be 10 to 15 minutes long, and you will go to each station every day. What can you do? So Starfall has various games and activities you can play to help you learn your letters, sounds, and how to read. Activities. If you are told to work on letters and sounds while at tablets, you will click on the icons with the arrows pointing to them. This includes ABCs, working on phoneme segmentation and bringing your words together, more phonetics, and short and long vowels. Activities continued. If you are asked to practice reading, you can play any of the games with the arrows. This includes learning to read, it's fun to read, and I am reading. Activities continued. Some days you will be allowed to play any of the literacy games you would like, so all the pictures in between the arrows. This includes any of these, and any of these. They'll be working on different skills, either practicing your letters, practicing your sounds, working on maybe some nursery rhymes with your letters, different colors, reading words, reading short sentences. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.